Are you struggling to become a good student? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll provide you with tips and techniques for academic success. Time management is crucial for academic success. Learn how to effectively manage your time to maximize productivity and achieve your goals. Developing good study habits is essential. Discover proven techniques to enhance your learning experience and retain information effectively. Setting goals is a powerful way to stay motivated and track your progress. Learn how to set achievable goals and turn them into reality. Are you ready to take your academic performance to the next level? Join us on this journey of self-improvement and unlock your full potential. Effective time management allows you to balance your academic responsibilities and personal life. Discover strategies to create a healthy study-life balance. Developing effective study habits can make a significant difference in your academic performance. Learn techniques to optimize your study sessions. Setting clear and achievable goals provides a sense of direction and purpose. Discover the power of goal setting and how it can transform your academic journey. Are you ready to embark on a journey of academic excellence? Join us as we explore the path to becoming a successful student. Effective time management allows you to make the most of your study sessions. Discover techniques to eliminate distractions and stay focused. Developing good study habits is a lifelong skill. Learn how to create a study routine that works for you and enhances your learning experience. Setting realistic goals is essential for academic success. Discover techniques to break down big goals into manageable steps and celebrate your progress. Are you ready to unlock your full potential as a student? Join us as we explore the strategies and techniques for academic excellence. Effective time management allows you to make time for self-care and relaxation. Discover techniques to prioritize your well-being alongside your studies. Developing effective study habits is a continuous process. Learn how to adapt and refine your study techniques for optimal learning outcomes. Setting ambitious goals can push you to achieve greatness. Discover the power of aiming high and challenging yourself to reach new heights. Motivation is the key to overcoming obstacles and staying focused. Find inspiration in your journey and unleash your full academic potential. Congratulations! You've completed the journey to becoming a successful student. Apply these strategies and techniques to excel in your academic endeavors.